Good morning. I am coming to you from Tampa, Florida, from Tampa Union Station. It's the Amtrak station here in Tampa, Florida. Let's go check it out. Let's go see what is inside and outside. From what I've seen so far, it looks like there might be a few neat things to check out here. Let's go make some memories. Alright, that's good to know that it's an 11-minute walk to Bites and Eats and 5-minute walk to shops. That's good to know. And here's a little history of the station. Alright, I'm gonna walk down this way. There's a cool looking clock tower down here. This is the building here, Tampa Union Station. Here's the clock tower. It says on this clock tower, the champion, it says the Orange Blossom Special, Mr. Harry Love, first station master. Huh. Interesting. Let's go over this way and see. Back of the building here. There's a handicap accessible ramp here. Not sure if all these doors are unlocked or not. We're gonna find out at some point. My guess is that back one back here is locked. But you can see right here, like I've said, and I think I've mentioned it in some of my other videos, Tampa.
Facial covering masks are a requirement while inside Amtrak stations and trains.
When we come in this direction here, you can see this is the end of the line for the Amtrak station, because the Amtrak goes from Lakeland to Tampa, picks up and drops off here, and then takes off back either to head north towards Orlando on its way to New York, or it heads to the south towards Winter Haven, and then it goes towards Miami.
Thank you for your cooperation.
So it's kind of the end of the line here. Alright, let's go see what's around this side over here. And we'll take a step inside. And the highway that you see right here is the Salmon Expressway. Let's see what's back here. It says no trespassing or loitering. Just coming to check it out. Oh, okay. This is where we catch the train. This is where you wait for it. This is Atlantic Coastline. Trying to restore the historical sign here. Oh, wow, cool. Pretty cool. It's on the historic places list. This is what it looks like inside. Very, very cool. This is very cool. Cool. Baggage check-in over here. It's where you pick up your tickets. It's got an ATM over there. Let's see what's back this way. Some old dinnerware. Old timetables. That's really cool. And you'll see back here is the restrooms. Men's and women's. And this is just another seating area inside here where they've got some vending machines. So you can get your goodies before you catch the train. Pamphlets, so what's in the area, like always. It's just an extra little seating area in here, extra little waiting area. Alright. So that finishes our tour of the Tampa Union Station here in Tampa, Florida for Amtrak. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to our channel. We put out PrimeTrains content from time to time. It just depends on where we're at the moment, if we can find a station or something to record. But even if you don't, we do a lot of other travel stuff as well. All right, leave us a comment down below. Have you ever caught the Amtrak from Tampa or gotten dropped off in Tampa? All right, we will see you guys down the road. We'll see you soon.